Today, I'm gonna tell you about ConvertPages. Before we dive in, please make sure to subscribe to appsumo's YouTube channel. ConvertPages is a tool that lets you build fast-loading funnels that accept online payments so you can convert leads into customers in a snap. The free-form drag-and-drop funnel builder that lets you create, test, and track high-conversion customer experiences. Build custom funnel pages that are fast-loading and mobile or responsive from a library of templates. Publish funnels instantly on any domain, either as pop-ups, inline elements, or full-page experiences. With ConvertPages, creating a sales funnel is like art. Regardless of whether your company is services-based or product-based, ConvertPages will help you build the ultimate lead capture, opt-in or e-commerce experience. No need to start from scratch either, because you can choose from dozens of funnel templates that have been tested and proven to be successful in the market. Build the ultimate funnel for your business. Build custom funnel pages you can launch on any website and track with one simple tool. ConvertPages UI lets you focus on every step in your funnel, with conversion stats clearly broken down for you, so you can see how people are moving through the customer journey, and most importantly, where people drop off. Check this out. When you're working on your funnel, you can see each step of the funnel arranged in these tabs at the top. Now this is where creativity really comes into play. Every single aspect of this builder is free-form with drag-and-drop modules. There's absolutely no forced grid, so you can move the elements anywhere you want. On top of that, customization. Adding additional sections, slideshows, images, videos, or pop-ups is easy. So you're going to basically become a funnel scientist, A/B testing and optimizing all the time, until you create the perfect funnel. For example, look at how easy it is to customize and optimize your order form. With one click, you can automatically sync all your data fields. Then you can adjust those data fields on a simple slider scale. This really shouldn't be this much fun, but everything adjusts all at once. It's just a true design dream. Same goes for all the colors and also where the users go after they submit the form. It all syncs up and flows, just like your future funnel. ConvertPages is a funnel builder and the ultimate companion for marketers who want to increase conversions with the traffic they already have. You can build any kind of funnel to enhance your website, from a fully fledged funnel to loading a single step. You will get everything you need to design custom, mobile or responsive pages with advanced image compression, so your pages are lightning fast and rank better on Google. You can publish funnels instantly around the world without having to do any complicated IT work. ConvertPages lets you launch funnels wherever you want to convert, including your own domain or a provided domain. It's also super easy to drive conversions with several different kinds of elements, including opt-in forms, upsells, and multi-tiered pricing. Automate the buying process with integrated payment processing so new and returning customers can buy stress-free. ConvertPages lets you build the funnel of your dreams with responsive smart building blocks. You can also access a library of funnel page templates designed for every step of the customer journey. You can build pages quickly and lead visitors through contextual funnels for a more personalized customer experience. Best of all, you can also track, analyze, and visualize your campaigns to understand where you're driving the most leads, sales, and conversions. You'll get conversion tracking and actionable metrics to identify areas for growth and improvement. You can even filter out bots, identify fake traffic, and get accurate numbers based on the real people visiting your site. ConvertPages makes sales funnels painless for everyone involved, so you can deliver high conversion experiences that keep your customers coming back for more. Build funnels that convert. So click on the link below to ConvertPages for an incredible price. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.